Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Cronus Zen. First, let's get your device ready. You'll want to connect your Cronus Zen to your computer using the mini USB cable. Then, head over to the official Cronus website to download and install the Zen Studio software. Once that's done, make sure to update your Cronus Zen's firmware to the very latest version. This ensures you have the best and most stable experience right from the start. Now, let's get your Cronus Zen connected to your gaming console. Take the short micro USB cable and plug one end into the Zen and the other into an available USB port on your console. If you're on a PlayStation, connect your controller to the one USB port on the Cronus Zen. For Xbox users, you'll want to connect your controller to the 3 USB port. This establishes the primary connection for your gameplay. Next, let's ensure your controllers and other peripherals are set up correctly. It's crucial that your primary controller is either fully charged or connected with a data-capable USB cable. For audio, remember to connect any wired headsets directly to your controller, not to the Cronus Zen itself. If you're using additional wired peripherals, like a mouse or keyboard, you can connect them to the 2 or 3 USB ports on your Zen. Finally, let's explore how to leverage Zen Studio for advanced customization. This powerful software allows you to configure all your device settings and load various game packs. Simply drag and drop your chosen game packs onto one of the 8 available memory slots on your Cronus Zen. Once loaded, you can dive into Zen Studio to fine-tune and customize each game pack settings, ensuring your gameplay experience is perfectly tailored to your preferences.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.